Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a tip and trick when it comes to either glassine bags or these type of bags where, you try to put a notch in it and it just doesn't work. Or ones like this, it's too thin and the punch just doesn't go through. Now, you might know this tip already. I don't know. So I might be showing you something you already know. But just in case you don't know. When you have your glassine bag or a bag like this. I don't know where my glassine bags are at the moment. They might all be at work. So I'm just going to show you quick. Let's say you want to put a notch in here. Now I'm not going to put it in to show you it gets all stuck and it doesn't work. It doesn't go through the paper. You take a piece of just regular paper and you fold it where you want the notch to be, like this, right? And then you take your hole punch and you do your notch and it comes right out. So we have that one, and I'll show you on this bigger one here. And the credit of this is going to go to Seaside Crafter, my friend Michelle. I've known her for over 20 years, and we have never discussed this problem. A couple of weeks ago, I was doing these, and I said, I hate how it doesn't go through the glassine bags, or, I can't stand it. I'm trying to make a notch. She goes, oh, I know what you do. You put in paper and then put the notch. I said, you've never told me this? I was like, you knew this? And, all these years, I never knew. And she was like, you know how I found out? I said, no. She said, Tim Holtz. She was watching Tim Holtz, and he had it. He was saying how, when you're trying to do a notch, the paper's too thin, it won't work. And good old Timmy said it, so can you believe it? If I had mentioned this to her a while back, I would have already known. So again, you just make your notch and it's there. I just wanted to show you a quick one. And alright, maybe I'll show you what happens without it, because maybe you don't know. Maybe you've never tried this before. So I'll show you. Alright, it worked on that, but it doesn't work, I'm telling you. When you have the glassine bags, it does not work. I don't know how it worked on this. So maybe you don't need it for this type of a bag. But believe me, when you do the glassine bags, you need it. It does not work. I'm trying to see if I have one around here. I don't. Nope, I don't have one. Hey, hon, it made a liar out of me. It actually worked with the brown bag. But if you have, like, the brown bags that have that, like, that texture to them, that waxy texture, it's not going to work, trust me. So, that was just my tip and trick of the day, in case you didn't know. Now you know, and you can make a notch for your little bags, or big bags in this case. So happy crafting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye.